Gonna be replacing the CV joint flange seal on the gearbox of my VW van. My gearbox is down on the ground over here, which is gonna make it a little bit easier. And if you plan on doing this on the car, it's not impossible. I just don't envy you because it's gonna be a bit more uncomfortable. First job, get the gearbox on the table. Remember to lift with your legs. Heavy. Yes. And there go my pants. This is the fella we're gonna be replacing. Here's where it's been leaking pretty badly, I'd say. First off, if you're doing this on the car, obviously you need to remove the CV joint from the flange. Next up, we're gonna wipe the flange clean. And with the flange clean, we need to pop this plastic cap off without destroying it. I'm pretty sure they sell replacement ones, but I don't have one. So. Here it comes. This is what it looks like, and it seals the oil inside the gearbox, so you want it to seal properly. With the cap out of the way, there's this circlip that needs to be removed so that the flange can't come out. I don't think I have the correct pliers for this, but these will have to do. Just have to open it up a little bit and stick a screwdriver in there. This is of course very springy. Don't let it get in your eyes. Here it is. This is what it looks like. There's no holes on the side or anything, so it's a bit tricky. Put that aside, and now the flange simply slides out. Pretty dirty on the back side as well, and pretty dirty on this side too. This is a plastic dust cover. Shouldn't be too tight, but it helps to clean out the screws a little bit because they're really easy to strip. This one wasn't tight at all, neither was this one. There are these metal shims here. Try not to misplace them. And this guy should come out. Ooh, lots of crud. And it tends to fall into the gearbox. Now we have access to the seal, but before we proceed with replacing it, I'm gonna stuff some kind of a cloth or something here, and I'm gonna clean all of this gunk so that it doesn't go inside the gearbox. Alright, I think this is about as clean as it needs to be. Take out the rag. Now, there are special tools you can use to extract these seals. I don't have them, so I'm gonna use the good old screw method. Get it started. Okay, and now almost. Try that again. And there it is. A little bit of sand got inside, but can't be too bad. I'm gonna help it sink in. Before installing the new seal, I'm gonna go clean up these guys because they're pretty yucky. With everything cleaned and ready, it's time to install the new seal. And this is the one I have, 45 by 72 by 15. The VW part number is this one. And this guy goes in here. I'm gonna start him using this old pulley I have. Good job. And from then on, I'm gonna use my ratchet extension. Almost there. A few more love taps. And I think we're good. Gonna install the plastic cap back in place. Metal shim number 1 and metal shim number 2. While I was cleaning the flange, this spring washer fell out and I realized I had completely forgotten about it. This guy lives in here, right under the retention clip. Slide this in all the way. The retention clip, again, don't let it spring on you. And sometimes you have to hammer it a little bit in place. You want to make sure that it's all the way in, all the way around. And then the plastic cap. And easy as that, we have a new seal on the CV flange. Again, this isn't one of the easiest jobs to do on the car, but then again, it shouldn't be too hard either. If you have the gearbox on the ground, definitely worth doing this on both sides. And don't remember, there's 2 of those seals. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.